This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, April 25th. Stock index futures coming under some pressure today due to renewed concerns about the banking system. Also, we had the April Consumer Confidence Index coming in weaker than expected. However, new home sales were better than anticipated. Of those two, it's the Consumer Confidence Index that tends to carry more market impact. In the near term, stock index futures, I believe, will have a very difficult time advancing in light of renewed banking concerns and the likely Fed funds rate hike from the FOMC at its May 3rd policy meeting. Currency markets, the dollar index advancing in a flight to quality move. We had business sentiment in Germany edging higher for the sixth consecutive month, but still a little bit weaker than the estimate. It also appears that the European Central Bank is on track to hike interest rates at its next meeting on May 4th. Also, we are anticipating that the Bank of England will also hike rates at its next meeting, and that is scheduled for May 11th. The Bank of Japan will hold its policy meeting on the 28th. Most likely, policies will remain unchanged from the Bank of Japan. So interest rate differential expectations still are bearish for the dollar and bullish for the euro currency, although right now we are seeing some flight to quality supporting the dollar. But longer term, it still appears that the dollar index will probably trend lower and the euro currency will work higher. Also, flight to quality coming into the interest rate futures markets with very strong gains at the long end of the curve, namely the 30-year Treasury bond futures. Still thinking that the global economy will probably slow. That will be the dominant fundamental that supports the interest rate futures markets. So any breaks anywhere along the way should be used as buying opportunities. This is a long-term trend for the interest rate futures markets that will tend to work higher. So once again, expect higher prices for futures across the board in the interest rate futures markets. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.